Hello everyone and welcome to today's StableNet tutorial about portal customization. My name is Andreas Stumpf and I'm Senior Support and QA Specialist at InfoSim. The StableNet portal can be customized in many ways. Let's start with the setting each user can adjust on its own. These are the so-called UI settings. They can be found in the upper right corner. Click on User Settings. And afterward, you will see the UI settings. Just click here. And you will be in the UI settings theme. In the UI settings area, users can adapt the themes of the StableNet portal to their needs. In case of the chart theme, you have a total of 16 various options, as you can see right here. I'm pretty sure you will find an option fitting your needs. In case of the overall color theme, you can pick one of the three options: dark, which is the dark mode, light, which is the light mode you currently see. And starting with StableNet 25, system can be selected as well as an option, which makes use of the system default of your operating system, which can be either dark or light. In case you want to change the text highlighting theme, you can change it here as well. In case a user wants to change its default dashboard, he can do it on the right-hand side by selecting a dashboard and press the Save button afterward. It's that easy. In the next step, I will show you what kind of portal customizations can be done via the default properties. So let's open the default property area of StableNet. And switch to the StableNet portal category, which is here. As you probably already see here, you can customize a lot of settings to your needs. No matter whether you want to change the name of the portal, the login text, you want to change the geomap used, or the display text and the links seen in the upper right corner, nearly everything can be customized. For a short demonstration, let's change a few of the properties. Like the name of the portal, let's rename it to Andy's Customized Portal. Besides that, I want to change the link names as well as the URLs they're referring to something I use more often. So let's add a link to the InfoSim travel ticket system and replace the link name accordingly. Let's use the second one here. Link to the InfoSim travel ticket system. And let's adapt the link to it. And let's add a link to the InfoSim YouTube channel. By the way, please don't forget to follow us so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. The last option I want to adjust is the so-called login text, which can either be used to display motivational sayings on the login screen or to hint an upcoming maintenance of the server. In my case, the next planned maintenance will be on the 4th of September, so let's add this information to the corresponding default property. And let's save the changes. Apply. After refreshing the page, you will see that the portal customizations are now effective. So let's refresh the page. So, and as you can see, the portal name changed. Let's verify the other settings, the links. So, and here we see InfoSim trouble ticket system and InfoSim YouTube channel. So the link names already changed. So let's verify that the link is correct as well. So this link directs to the InfoSim ticket system. So that's perfect. And let's verify the other link. And it redirects us to the InfoSim YouTube channel. Perfect. So let's log out and verify if the login text mentioning the upcoming maintenance in September. So, and as you can see right here, the login text has been updated as well. Perfect. To show you the settings only StableNet user admins can adjust, I have to relog in. Just give me a second. So now we're back in the StableNet portal. Since one of the later service packs of StableNet 12, it's possible to hide options of the StableNet portal for specific users. Please note, hiding options has nothing to do with the rights of a user. So even if a user is unable to see the inventory, for example, in the StableNet portal, he might still be able to query the inventory via REST. So please keep in mind to adjust the user roles accordingly. To hide options in the StableNet portal, we will have to switch to the user customer section. And create a new group. So, and now we have to switch to the View tab. In my case, the users of the group should only see the dashboards. So I will disable all other options via this graphical editor. And now press on Create. Let's assign the newly created group to a user and test if everything works as expected. So the user group now has been assigned to the user Stumpf. So let's log out and log in, making use of the user Stumpf. As you can see, the user Stumpf is only able to see the dashboard, so everything works as expected. Perfect. Last but not least, let's come to the settings only a StableNet admin, a StableNet server admin to be precise, can adjust. Since StableNet 24, it's possible to white label the StableNet portal. So it's possible to replace the StableNet logo, which can be seen right here, as well as the colors used in the StableNet portal for both the dark and the light modes. So as mentioned before, this here is currently the light mode. Just switch to the dark mode so that you saw it. So we can adjust the colors. To do so, you have to go to the install directory of your StableNet server. Let's do this. And simply swap a few files. Depending on whether you want to adapt the logo and colors seen in the dark mode, you have to place the files here. In the config directory, we have a folder called Portal. There's a folder Teams. We go to the dark mode, and here we have to place a couple of files. So, and now the files are in the directory for the dark mode. In case you want to adapt the logo and colors of the light mode, you have to place the files in the light directory. So in the themes directory, we have the light folder, images, as we did before. And now we have to place the files we want to use here. If you're interested on how the files have to be named and how they have to be formatted, please have a look into the corresponding section of our StableNet manual. In this tutorial, I just want to demonstrate that it's possible to white label the StableNet portal. So let's go back to the StableNet portal and check the results for the dark and the light mode. Perfect. After a short reload of the page, the changes can be seen, and now in the dark mode we have a slightly different background image in the login directory, in the login area. We see our new logo, so the StableNet logo isn't here anymore. Instead, we see Robbie, our robot. And for sure, we can check the settings for the light modes as well. So just log in. Let's go to the user settings, switch to light mode. And as we can see right here, we now have a different colors here. We have different colors here. The robot is also seen here in the upper left corner instead of the StableNet logo. And if we log out, we will see that the login screen is also slightly different than it is in a vanilla installation of StableNet. Thank you very much for watching today's YouTube video, and have fun watching the other tutorials that are already part of our YouTube channel. See you next time.